welcome to in front of me Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. Just to unlock your device, don't slightly touch it. You should hold for a while. That's the fingerprint sensor here to unlock the device, because with a simple touch you have no chance to unlock the device. So just a little bit hold it, and that's it. So we can see that it's a really good result. The fingerprint sensor works here, so just good, just and fast. So we can unlock the device just in one hold of the sensor here, and I suggest you this unlock method to try, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than passcode or pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.